Today we're going to build a welcome sign that you can put on your front porch. And we're going to be able to build this for less than $15. That is going to include the boards and the stencil. We can pick up these pickets from your local lumber yard and they're like $1.72 a piece. So what we're going to do is just going to give it a quick sanding on the front face and then we'll cut them and stain them. And on these fence pickets, they have what they call a dog ear, where they cut them off at an angle. We don't need that piece, so we're just going to cut that off flush. And we're going to measure 54 inches. That's how tall our sign's going to be. Cut the other one the same way. And we're going to use these as our brace to go on the back side of our sign. So don't throw these away. So now we're going to take the two pieces we had left over and we're going to cut them at 11 inches. And they're going to be our braces for the back side of the sign. Now we've got our boards cut and we're going to go ahead and stain them. I'm going to stain the back side first and make sure we stain the edges. Because when we put these boards together they might have a little gap and we don't want to see the blonde wood behind it. We want to make sure the stain goes all the way around. Now we've stained our two fence pickets. We're going to line them up and get them even. Pull them together and we're going to take these scraps and they're going to be our brace for the back. And we're going to mount them about, say, 8 inches down from the top. Doesn't have to be perfect. I've already put a mark on here if I can find it. There we go. Now we're going to take the screws and we'll just screw these braces onto the back. Pull it together. And now we've let our stain dry overnight. We're going to lay out our stencil. I got this stencil off Amazon. It was like $8. And we can use it over and over. So I'm going to lay it out now and we'll put the white paint on. What we got up here? 2. We're going to do 2 1/4. Center it. So I take the stencil down. Now we're going to take some white acrylic paint and I got a stencil brush. And you load up your stencil brush. And I'll just dab it on here because we don't want a lot. Too much and it'll run underneath the edge. And then we just stencil it on. So now we've let the paint dry and we have a little bleed through here on our letters through our stencils, and that's okay because it's so rough it's hard to keep the stencil down flat. But I take a black Sharpie and I'm going to go around all the letters and outline every one of them, and it makes it stand out and it really looks good. Now we're just going to put a quick coat of some Ace brand gloss enamel clear. Just a quick coat over it because this is treated lumber. We don't have to worry about sealing it. I just want to give it just a little bit of shine. And here is our finished welcome sign. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.